welcome now my wife Jennifer right here and our dog Mac. Now, Mac is a 10-month-old German Shorthair Pointer, and he is full of energy. Absolutely full of energy. Today, this is actually his second assembly around here. He gets a little hyper and excited. Let's see if we can get him to do some tricks. He likes French fries. Ooh. Want to put him in it down, babe? Let's see if we can get him to roll over. Not towards the end of the stage. There we go. Let's see if we can get back to shake. How about high 10? Can we give him a high 10? Edge of the stage. Bring Mac down here, babe. Mac, can you get my keys? Good boy, you can have them? Oh, he takes them to mom because she's got French fries. Can we get Mac to do anything else? Let me see. No, I think that's all we got on this. Why don't you put Mac back? Thanks, Mac. Everybody get, oh, Mac, watch me. Hey, bang, bang, bang. Yes.